Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are talking about the Alzheimer disease. Today we are talking about the Alzheimer disease. So the Alzheimer disease is the neurodegenerative disease of the elderly people. Most commonly they occur in elderly people. Its incidence increases with age. It is neurodegenerative disease. Its incidence increases with age. At the age of 85 to 90 year of age, 85 to 90 year of age, its incidences reach to 40%. It is the number one cause of dementia in the elderly people, and the 5 to 10% are familial. 5 to 10% are familial. There is strong genetic association with the trisomy 21. Strong genetic association with the trisomy 21, that is called Down syndrome. Down syndrome. In this disease, there is the accumulations of amyloid precursor protein in the brain. There is accumulation of amyloid precursor protein. Normally, the pathway of the amyloid precursor protein, they cannot accumulate in the brain, but when this disease occurs, they accumulate in the brain and there is dementia. So now we will discuss the normal pathway. There is extracellular environment and intracellular environment. The amyloid precursor protein may be the receptor for prion protein. In amyloid protein, there are receptor for the cleavage of this amyloid precursor protein, that are beta secretase. If they are bend with the beta secretase and they cleavage by the beta secretase, it is not accumulator. If the amyloid precursor protein binds to the beta secretin, then the ADP accumulate. If they bend to the alpha secretin directly, then this does not accumulate. And the pathway is called non-amyloidogenic pathway. In the non-amyloidogenic pathway, there is no accumulation of the amyloid precursor protein and they are cleaved. And other pathway, their pathology is the amyloid precursor protein binds to the beta secretase in amyloid beta peptide form. In amyloid beta peptide they accumulate further in monomer form, and then the further accumulation form the oligomer. This is the oligomer. The oligomer can cause neuronal injury, and they also cause cell death of the neuron. And the second pathway of the amyloid beta oligomer, they also aggregates and they form amyloid fibril. In the amyloid fibril, plaque and tangles are formed. In the plaque and tangle form two aggregates. In two aggregates, the phosphorylation activate the kinase enzyme. When activate the kinase enzyme, they also call the neuronal damage, and they cause cell death and injury of the neuron. So this is the pathology of the amyloid precursor protein when accumulate in the brain. They cause neuronal damage. The second number is the other causes of the Alzheimer disease. There are also another causes of the Alzheimer disease, that is the genetic mutation. When genetic mutation in the chromosome number 1 occur, this mutation affect the apoprotein E genes. The most commonly affected allele are E4. in the chromosome number 1. They also when mutation occur in the chromosome number 14, they affect the presenilin 2. They affect the presenilin 2 pathway are also involved in the cleavage of the amylase precursor protein. And number 3 is the chromosome number 19. They affect the presenilin 1. And also the chromosome number 21, they affect the amylase precursor protein. When the amylase precursor protein the gene for amylase precursor protein are affected, there is the accumulation of the amyloid, and this then does not cleave, and they bend. The amylase precursor protein bends instead of alpha secretin to the beta secretin. When it bends to the alpha secretin, then amylase precursor protein does not accumulate, but it bends instead of alpha to the beta secretin directly. First bends directly to the beta secretin, then amylase protein accumulate, then cause the neuronal injury. It cause the neuronal damage and injury. And the morphology of the, now we discuss the morphology of the Alzheimer disease. In the Alzheimer disease, we see the diffuse cortical atrophy because of the degeneration of the neuron. Diffuse cortical atrophy. We also see the enlarged ventricle, that is called hydrocephalus vacuum. Hydrocephalus vacuum. Microscopic finding for the Alzheimer disease are neuritic plaques. Microscopic finding are neuritic plaque. The neuritic plaque are the neuronal cell processes around the central amyloid A beta core. They are surrounded by the amyloid beta core. They are the neuronal cell processes. They are the neuronal cell processes. These are formed due to defective degradation of amyloid precursor protein. Due to defective degradation of amyloid precursor protein, this accumulation occurs in neuritic plaques formed. They are located in the gray matter. This neuronal cell process is accumulated, and they are located in the gray matter. This is called neuritic plaque. And this neuritic plaque best visualized with silver stain. They best visualized with silver stain and amyloid core stain, also with Congo red stain. Also visualized with Congo red stain. And the other features of this morphology: neurofibrillary tangles. In the neurofibrillary tangles, they are a bundle of filaments. Due to hyperphosphorylation of two proteins in the neuron, they are formed. They normally maintain the microtubule in the neuron, but there is hyperphosphorylation of two proteins in the neuron. They are formed the neurofibrillary tangles. They best visualized with silver stain. Other pathology is cerebral amyloid angiopathy. Cerebral amyloid angiopathy is the deposition of the A beta in the cerebral vessel, cerebral vessel, and this will accumulate in the cerebral vessel. There is weakening, of vessel and increased risk of hemorrhage, The clinical features of the Alzheimer disease is, the clinical feature is, there is gradual onset of dementia, gradual onset. They forget the things that are usuals, forget the usual things. They may forget his son's name, but there is also amnesia. In amnesia, they forget the newly things that are in their new life or earlier thing. There is depression. There is also depression, and the depression is due to the decrease in the norepinephrine. There is also agitation and psychosis. Most common cause of the death is aspiration pneumonia in the later age. Most common cause of the death is aspiration pneumonia later age, 5 to 10 years after there is respiratory pneumonia. The treatment for the Alzheimer disease is choline esterase inhibitor. Treatment is choline esterase inhibitor. There is donepezil and rivastigmine. Donepezil and rivastigmine. The donepezil are oral and rivastigmine is transdermal, but they cannot short the duration. They only benefit for the symptoms. Glutamate antagonists may also use. The drug is called memantine. Dopamine, the glutamate antagonists, they also use, that is called memantine.